Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chrishelle Chevon, and today we're going to do as a wig try on, of course, a wig unboxing from Queen Love's Hair, and they have a store on Amazon, and I got this unit from them. Okay, here we go. And this is her picture. Let's hope she come out the box looking kind of close to this. But yes, she is a 4x4 lace closure, 20 inches natural color, can be bleached and dyed. Human hair, it says this is Brazilian human hair lace front wig. It's 20 inches again. It is $95.99 with the Prime option for delivery. And it has a Swiss lace. This little piece of strip of lace is Swiss, and it is 130 density, medium brown lace color, straight human hair, no shedding, no tangles, no smell, soft and smooth. Wash and condition your hair weekly. Use a quality shampoo and conditioner. Wash and maintain with cold water. Before washing your hair, comb it with a wide tooth comb. When washing your hair, don't rub or twist the hair. And yeah, it says it has an average wig cap size. So this 130 density might be a little thin for my liking. But anywho, she comes in this box, and it just says 100% human hair. Then it has little barcode information down there. It says Queen Love lace, 4x4 lace front, 20 inches natural color. Alright, so here she is in a plastic bag, again with the barcode and the information. I got a little friend, I guess because I ordered this around Valentine's Day. And this is the lavender pack that doesn't smell like lavender. I'm scared to put this stuff up to my face now. And then we have black wig caps. Ta-da. It's 2 in this pack, I believe. One size fits all. Yes, 2 black wig caps. And then you have your care card. Their contact information is down there. See, why can't old care cards have nice pictures like this? On the inside is how to wash your wig, how to comb it, how to measure it. All of that is inside of the care card. Queen Love, 100% human hair. And that's all this is about. Okay, so her out of the bag. She is in the infamous Cafeteria Lady fishnet cap that is stuck to one of the adjustable straps. So she doesn't have a smell. She is really soft, but this is thin for me, y'all. Like, I would wear this bone straight. Like, just leave it like this. Straighten it out, because you try to curl this, your curl's gonna be thin, okay? So I wouldn't do it. Unless you like cut it into like a long bob or something, but like this long, I feel like I need some more hair. But anyways, it comes with this foam, of course, to keep the shape, and these clips to keep it on. And you have your little piece of lace here, 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the the back. And you have your adjustable straps. 1, 2. That will be going smack in the middle. Okay, see, they sewed the comb on the piece where the hooks are supposed to go. So I'll have to fight to get these up under here. Put it on, get straight to the point. Alright, so this is her. Oh yeah, honey, this needs some more hair. But the hair is really, really soft. Like, it's really soft. But yeah, like I could feel the cap. This needs some more hair, y'all. And make it a bob because this long ain't doing nothing for me because it's definitely not enough hair. Like when I run my fingers through it, I can feel the wig cap, like the little lace cap thing. But anyways, this is the little hairline on this closure, and this is me parting it. The knots are not bleached, so you can tell the knots are not bleached by the little black dots. So when you see little black dots, that is an indication that your knots on the closure have not been bleached. It didn't say they were, so they're not going to lose points for saying they bleached the knots and they didn't. But I need some more hair. Like, come on now. So, parting, I would say that they did a good job at plucking through this closure, because this can be a part. Like once I train it to lay down, like run the hot comb or the flat iron on it, it'll be okay. This is going to the side and this is the middle. Yeah, this needs some more hair. Like I feel like I can't do nothing with this, but it's really soft. It's really nice hair. I just wish they had like a 150 or 180 density. And that light color back there is my wig cap. It's all the way back there. We'll pull it up. Okay, so here she is. So they did good at plucking through it, but like this is the ponytail. So I could get away with it being like my natural hair with this density of a ponytail, but I wouldn't try to do nothing else with this other than wear it straight or pull it back in a ponytail or cut it into a bob. But I think that, because see, this is the wig with the tracks. Now, if I was just like super pressed for this wig, I would go through and sew some bundle, like a bundle and a half maybe in here, just to thicken it up. But I'm about to cut this lace off and do the part just so y'all can see it, but I need some more hair, like for real. This is all we got. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and yeah, this wig is definitely made to be a side part wig. Like, I didn't even glue it down, but you can't really tell. I think I'm into this no baby hair swooping thing. Like, I only did one little swoop here and one here, just on the ends of this closure. By the way, I don't really like closures, but hey, listen to me. Try it on, view it. Now, like I said, they did a good job at plugging this closure piece, because this is the part with no concealer, no plucking, just me parting it with a wig cap on underneath. So that's that. But I will say that, like I said, this is supposed to be kind of like the girl in the picture had it parted on the side, because when I parted it in the middle, it was like short hairs. Like, I can't even, probably because I wet it, but it just was like flyaways. It looks bad, but I guess I gotta wet it or slick it down for the flyaways to not be poking out. There's like a lot of flyaways throughout here. I don't know if y'all can see them, but like, why is this piece of hair this short? I don't know. But see this? Like, this whole middle section was like this, and I do not know why. But for the most part, the hair is really nice. I just wish they put more hair in this unit, and they did something with this closure piece. Like, I don't know if y'all plucking it was pulling out the length to it too, but see, like that. So I would literally have to wet this, run the pressing comb on it, then take like my slick stick and run that over top of it, and probably like lay this down just for all these flyaways to go away. But yeah, the texture of the hair is nice. You get it fast because you're doing Amazon Prime, but make sure y'all check the density on these units that you are ordering. I would suggest that you order 150 and 180. Hell, 250 if you want to be extra, but definitely nothing under 150, because a lot of these 150 wigs are not 150. So this is definitely 130 like they said it was, and it's giving off like this is my natural regular hair minus these little short pieces. But the parting space is good. They did pre-plug it. They didn't say they had baby hairs with it, so don't expect for none to be there, but the hairline looks natural. I would do a little bit more plucking in this front area if I was going to like wear it back like this. And you're going to have to spray it, wet it, lay it down, slick it down. But this is her Queen Love hair, 4x4 Brazilian hair, 20-inch wig, 150, no, I lied, 130 density, $95.99. I'll leave the link down below. You can check them out, see if they have some fuller wigs. Like, I don't even know, where's my phone? Let's see if you can choose the density. No, you could just only choose the length. So that is something you all would want to look into. And yeah, Like behind the ear thing's not happening. Oh yeah, also because see this piece right here, when I tried to like shift it for it to be a deeper side part, this whole piece is like now back here. So when I try to tuck it behind my ear, it don't feel comfortable. But like it's back there. You just gotta shift it enough so where the thick part that really stops at your ear is way past your ear, so that you don't feel it. But it's cute for a side part transaction. And like I said, it's giving natural hair. Like if you one of them people who just want to have nice hair but not fuller hair, this is the wig for you. But yeah, see, she's really pretty. I just like my wigs with more hair in them and less fly lace. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know how you like the unit. And yeah, let me know if there's some other brands that y'all know of that I could try out. And I will post some videos for y'all. Hit that bell so you don't miss out. And I will see you all later. Toodaloo.